Din bangido ya kejingkiu jong ki active cases. Kasorkar klasim ya karai bahapo kasilong agglomeration barok kidukan ki bangi jupli enkang no hadu nyau beji menmit bat nadu kapor pra beji menmit kan sedang ke curfew hadu san beji mestep hapo kasilong agglomeration barok kawai ila simru ya kawi karai nakaliang jong ke government baka jing pendep ya ki bayap la kalong ki bayok covid lane ki bom yok covid bala kumdo day ban pendep ya kamet ke jongki hapo arbaji no paisngi hapo arbaji no paisngi kabamut habang ong hapo arbaji ke no paisngi kabamut lada klat menta kasngi klat menta janmit lasai hapo arbaji day ban pendep ya kaniam kurukom bat kumju ya ki benta ki badon kam kum bajule baro sekata kane karai ka bengisim kalong hadin bangio i ya ka jingkiu jong kane ka khlam man lakasngi ngisngu thu ya ka jing ngisngu thu ya ka jing sngosi ya ka jing jinjar mensim jong gitu kalong ying kalong sem ki bamat ya kini ki jing dia ki sngosi tenrei ngapan map nakaliang jong sarkar ngimban si ban sim ya kane karai balakum no ki pajba no song snong hapo kajela bakin sngau bah ban burom ya kane ke jing penbet jongi nakaliang ke sarkar naman ngile ya kane ta kamenta ka jing song sngan batru na kamenta ka safety jong ki no song snong jongi hapo kajela barok away hakabidei bat ki kajingyap covid ka sarkar kalabtha renti ya barok ki nong song snong hapo kajela bahadin balara ya kamet jongki haka sunduk syaki yang kisem ke jongki bakin skau bah banem plate ya katu ka sunduk batru bakin skau bah banum penrung hayeng ya katu kamet yap jong kitu ki perlok ki bayo iau new covid henreikin bu tang hapo baranda batru ban pendep ya kaniam kurukom kum mangalaong hapo arbaji janmit. We are meeting on daily basis and we are monitoring 24/7 about the search, the position, the situation that we have. But till today, let me just tell you, still lockdown is not an option. We don't go for lockdown. But I would fervently request all the concerned citizens of the state to kindly be sure of yourself that you don't get infection. Not to get infection is what? You need to take care of yourself. You need to maintain your social distance. You need to wear your mask 24/7 when you are out of your houses, and also to avoid unnecessary movement here and there because it may lead to infection. Be it Christian, be it non-Christian, and be it Sanghasi, they do have a separate space. So these practices will continue as it is.